The Quad Summit, hosted by US President Joe Biden in his hometown of Wilmington in Delaware, sent out the grouping's sharpest message yet to China without naming it. A joint statement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, Japanese Prime Minister Kishida Fumio and President Biden said the four countries seek to uphold the international order based on the rule of the law. The Wilmington Declaration said the Quad stands for the maintenance of peace and stability across Indo-Pacific. They strongly oppose any destabilizing or unilateral actions that seek to change the status quo by force or coercion. The Quad seeks a region where no country dominates and no country is dominated, a region where all countries are free from coercion and can exercise their agency to determine their futures. The four-nation group announced a new regional maritime initiative for training in the Indo-Pacific called MATRI to monitor and secure waters, enforce laws and deter unlawful behavior. India will be hosting the inaugural MATRI workshop in 2025. The Coast Guards of the four countries also plan to launch a first-ever Quad at Sea ship observer mission in 2025. The summit shed any ambiguity and made it clear that Quad is here to stay.
हमारी बैठक ऐसे समय हो रही है जब विश्व तनावों और संघर्षों से घिरा हुआ है। ऐसे में साझा डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज के आधार पर क्वाड का मिलकर साथ चलना पूरी मानवता के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। फ्री, ओपन, इंक्लूसिव और प्रॉस्परस इंडो पैसिफिक हमारी साझा प्राथमिकता और साझा प्रतिबद्धता है।
While China was not mentioned in the statement, President Biden was caught on the microphone saying China continues to behave aggressively, testing us all across the region.
Mr. President, will the Quad survive beyond the election in November?
What survive?
The Quad, will it survive regardless of the outcome?
Prime Minister Modi's visit to the US was also marked by the increasing cooperation between the two countries. India and the US will also set up a national security semiconductor plant.
AI का मतलब है अमेरिकन, इंडियन, अमेरिका, इंडिया, ये स्पिरिट है और वही तो नई दुनिया का एआई पावर है। यही एआई स्पिरिट भारत अमेरिका रिश्तों को नई ऊंचाई दे रहा है।
The Quad Declaration on Indo-Pacific comes amidst China's efforts to encircle India in its neighborhood. This weekend, another unknown was added to the equation. Sri Lanka got its first communist president in Anura Kumara Dissanayake.